How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So you'll typically see this error message when you're trying to sign in to your Snapchat account. Either you've tried to sign in too many times, maybe your account is blocked, or maybe someone else is trying to gain access to your account. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone, and then scroll down and click on General. Select iPhone Storage, and then just scroll down this page until you see Snapchat. Now once you've found Snapchat, select it like so, and then press Offload App and click on Offload. You can then wait a couple of seconds and press Reinstall App. Once it's finished reinstalling, head back over to the main settings page. You'll then need to scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Snapchat and click on it from here. Now just make sure you have mobile data turned on and enabled, and also background app refresh, make sure this is turned on. Now once you've done this, you can try signing back in to your Snapchat account. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So what you can do is go and open up the App Store on your phone. You could then use the search box and type in VPN. Now there's a bunch of different VPNs that you can use. I'm just going to download this top one here, which is VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Now once it's finished downloading, open up the app. You can then agree to the terms and conditions and make sure to press allow. Now just select proceed with ads at the bottom of the page, and you can press continue to start using this for free. You can then go and turn on the VPN and make sure to press allow. Now once you're connected to a VPN, you can head back over to Snapchat, and you should now be able to sign in to your account. If it's still not working, you can also try waiting a few hours. Sometimes there's just a temporary block on your account, and this will often be resolved just by waiting.